What's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. We are looking today at futures, at YM especially, or Dow Jones, how you know it, or US 30, how you know it. On gold too, and my plan for today is simple. I'm not chasing the price. I will look at the major support and resistance levels that I have marked, and I'm waiting for either a clean EMA rejection, a break and retest. Um, um, yes, so stay tuned and I will get into it in a bit. Hey, Era. No, actually, last night I did not catch the sale yesterday. Um, I did not catch the sale, but I catch the buy after that. Yes, I was on a lunch break because usually I don't trade between 12 and 2. I don't trade, but I catch the buy. Let me show you 1 second. Okay, here is the buy that I catch yesterday. Yes, I saw the short after. This will be a great short. But hello, I catch this buy. I saw the EMA rejection here, a beautiful EMA rejection, and I catch the two. Thank you for the love. Appreciate it. So yes. Did you catch it? Did you catch the sale? Let's see what today is gonna bring us. But yeah, this was the buy that I took yesterday. I did not catch the sale. Gold sale. Let's look. What about the Dow? The YM is a sale. Let's wait to break this structure and see if it's a sale. Let's look at the gold. Yes, this was a beautiful EMA rejection. I will sell here. If I saw this earlier, yes. You see 1, 2 candle only. Beautiful. Let me see if it was a 2. Not yet a 2. Let's see if it's gonna come back. Almost a 2. Just let's be patient a little bit with the gold yet. Let's mark the higher from yesterday. So this is the higher from yesterday for the gold. So let's see. I think the price reacts here. I think the price wants to react at this level, the high of the yesterday. Or you might want to break it and retest it from below. But let's wait. Patience. If you wanna go up, if the gold wanna retest nicely this, and then it gives us a W pattern here, we can go in right here for a buy. W. But let's see. How you guys doing? What you guys trading? I'm looking at the Dow, and it looks exactly like yesterday. open with an aggressive move up, and then goes down. It's gonna consolidate a little bit here, and then it's gonna break this and go down. Let me see. Yesterday it's exactly the same. You see, it opened with aggressive move up, then it got down, it consolidate, and then it break this and just dropped. So let's see if we're gonna have the same scenario for today. But I have a feeling it's the same. We'll see. Oh, I watch myself. Hello, Jason. Good morning to you too. How you doing? What are you trading today? Let's place an alarm here at the gold if it crossed this. If it's crossing this and it's forming a W, we might want to go in. Let's put also Fibonacci. Okay, so it's also the Fibonacci level. It gives a rejection here. Palantir down. I'm looking at MNQ. So NQ, you're looking at ES and YM. Okay. What do you see? Yeah, so I also have a Fibonacci here. Well, let's wait and see if it's gonna reject back. Let me just mark this Fibonacci level and delete it because I don't like how it looks. Yes, so here is the YM. I like you trade micro. That's great. And futures. Yes, I was saying that YM wants to move kind of like yesterday. Aggressive move up, and then down, and a little consolidation. We'll see. Also, this area right here is a very strong area. So let's see if it's gonna give us, here is not yet a retest, but it might give us here a little retest. Wait. Yes. Let's see ES. ES. Hello, you back. I am great. How you doing? How is you doing? Yes, it's the opposite of Dow. It opens down and now it's getting back up. You trading? Let me just okay, at 1 hour. This is a support. You can see the price came here many times and it went back up. Let's see if it's gonna happen again, and let me put the resistance here. Strong resistance. Strong resistance. AMD really dropped. I don't really look at the stocks like that. I look at index futures usually. We're waiting for the right opportunity. Okay, gold. Here it is, another beautiful rejection. Let's go for a short. It's still at this area that I really don't like. Let me see it again. Yeah. Let me see if the price wanna break this and then we can go in. It's nice. It's a nice, beautiful EMA rejection, but do the price wants to go or no? Let's listen to some jazz. I'm watching on my other screen the YM. Nothing yet. Okay, this is the correct. Let's put an alarm once it's get here. We'll see. But let's get ready for a short in a cold. Okay, patience. Yes, I wanted to get into this trade because I saw this beautiful rejection, but I have this area right here that I want to be cautious about. You can see the price. It's a support right now. It was resistance before, so I'm cautious about that area. I will really want to see a break and retest of that area for a super duper trade. So Jason is back. Where are you from, Jason? You're from US, but where from US, right? Okay, patience. Okay, guys, talk to me in the chat. Futures or forex? Let me ask people. Okay, so let's see how this candle closed. We can consider this area broken. Gold on the future side or on the forex side? Because this is also gold, but it's on a future. You see, it's a little different, the numbers on the here we go. Here is the gold on a forex side. I mean, it's the same thing. It's really the same thing. Or Wanda. So for future forex. I'm preparing for a nice sale here, but so what do you think about the gold, Bab? Giuliano Luciano. Giuliano Luciano. What are you biased right now? Where do you think it goes? Up or down? Resisting. Yeah, this area is strong area. I go until 50.75, 50.85. So you think it's going up? Hello, Elite. But Giuliano, you are retracted the messages or is YouTube deleting your messages? Okay, so you want a retest of the 50.75 and then go down. Great Wall of China. Retracted because I wrote bad. It's okay, no worries. We're not here, I don't think it's anybody that actually speaks proper English here. I am from Romania, so my English it's good, but it's not perfect. I think I have from Turkey, from India. I think you are from Italy or something, Luciano. So goal giving move by sell. Bună ziua, Dan. So you are Romanian. Giulio Luciano. Exact. Okay, so look, you can write me in Romanian. I'm not gonna speak Romanian here because it's gonna the YouTube algorithm is not gonna like it. But I'll answer to you in English. And if you follow me on Instagram, if you follow Rahat, Kara said Rahat. He's from Turkey, but I don't know if Rahat means what I think it means. And if you follow me on Instagram, Lucian, you can write me. Yeah, but I don't know if in Turkey means the same thing. Okay, so the goal is crossing this line and we can go on a short. I will like a retest. I will like a retest of this area. But she trades fire. But how did you find me? No, I do not have Telegram. So yeah, let's wait for a retest here. I can see this is a big bearish candle that just melted through. But let's wait for the retest. Let's wait for the retest. And we can go definitely on a short. I don't have. I'm thinking to make a Telegram channel. If I'll make it, I'll let you know. I'm watching the Dow on the other screen. Let me wait for the retest of this area. Let's go to the Dow. Okay. Does the Dow wants to reject this nicely? But if I make a Telegram channel, what you guys want to see there? What would you like to see on a Telegram? Okay, gold is crossing trend line. Here we go. Yes, I told you that we need a retest. Let's see. Okay, got it. Let me just delete this. No, I don't have Telegram channel. But I'll make one. Look, I'll make one. I don't know what to put in there. Like, what do you guys want to see on a Telegram channel? But I'll do one today and I'll share it on Instagram. I'm not selling no, how you call those, signals. I'm not doing that. I don't believe in that. I trade live when I can, every day, I mean. So I think that's a lot. You know, if I'll make it for a way to communicate with people that watch me, and they can all share their analysis. Okay, so is this a retest? Yes, I think it is. So I'm just gonna go for short. Yeah. Lucian, I think you are new. My main instrument that I trade is YM, which is US 30 or Dow. Wow. Okay, so this will be the trade, but I don't want to risk $300 on this future contract. Let me see on my cash account if there is any other code. Micro gold, MGM. Okay, let's do the analysis again. Sorry, it's just I went on a wrong futures. I'm just gonna take this and put it on a purple. And now if I go in with one contract, I should have not risk $3,000. Okay, 300. You waited for the resistance to break. Yes, I did. Let me make the levels again that I marked before. Here we go. There was this level. You can see it was a strong level. Now we have this level where it matches my take profit. Let me see if I'll adjust it a little bit. Okay. Why did not get me in? Oh God. Okay, this is 219, so I need the 2. Here is the 2. It did not get me in, guys. This is the trade though. Say something. Okay. So yes, after the EMA rejection, I waited for the break of this structure and it gave me a little retest. This structure was like this. So it gave me a little retest and I go for the 2. It did not get me in for whatever reason. They should get me in on this candle right here because I was already placing the order, but it did not fill my order. But this is the trade. I hate when those things happen. Really hate it. Understand correctly, Kara. If, listen what I'm saying, if this area, the gray area, this, let me delete this. If this area was not there, I will be entering just the EMA rejection because it's a beautiful EMA rejection. If you saw my video about the EMA rejection, these are just a few candles touched, so it's a beautiful EMA rejection. So if this area was not here, I'll be entering here. But because this area was here, I was a little concerned that the price might react to this area. So I waited for the price to break this area, retested it, and then I went in. Did you understand, Kara? And you see the price, it's already beautiful. At this point, you can move your stop loss right here. You can move your stop loss at the entry, so you don't risk nothing at this point. My computer is it's acting out. At this point, you can just trail it. And here we go, full TP. Full TP. Come on, what's going on? Here we go, that was a beautiful trade. Full transparency. I did my broker did not get me in for whatever reason. Next time I'll put, is it going to be rejected this area? Let's wait, see. Let's see, it's a demand zone. You can see here the price touched it 1, 2, 3 times. So let's see if it's gonna reject it again. But Luciano, I don't like to scalp like this. Like for example, if you see the rejection here, if you are more an aggressive, you can go back to at least the EMA, right? But that's not my I don't like to scalp like this. One confirmation that I always use in my trading, I don't take trades. Like for example, I don't take a long if the price is below the EMA 50, and I don't take short if the price is above. So right now, this is a long. This is a nice. It is a nice setup. Just wait to see if it cross this. So see a beautiful rejection. It is a nice setup, but it's just not for me. It's not my rules. So that's just for you guys if you want to go in for a quick scalp. But it's not for me. The price is below the EMA, so I'm only looking for shorts. Hey, Marianne, thank you. How are you? You know what I realized, guys? That's more Romanian. I don't know how you guys found me, but I have more Romanians and Indians in a house than anything else. Looks like I'm the only one who liked the stream. That makes an important person. That makes, yes, guys, please, can you like my stream? Thank you for reminding me, Kara. Not the heart that's on a chat, the like button. Okay, so I have 50-50 Forex futures. People trade 50-50. Okay, so now that we're done with the gold, I still have 20 minutes of trading. Let's go to the Dow and see what is he doing. I'm just curious if he's gonna go back to the EMA, if this will be another nice trade. Okay, so the price touched this area. You can see it rejected it, but the EMA came on away. So now this might act as a support. Because Romanians love market casino. Oh, God. So now this EMA acts as a support, but let's see if this area can be broken. The plan for this is the same like the one that I took in a gold. I do see the EMA rejection, but this area right here is a very, very, very strong area. I can say 10,000 times very, because look at this. And this is on 1 hour time frame. Look at this, how many times the price touched this area. So this is a stay away area. So if the price is in this area, I stay away. The only trade I will take if I need this area to be broken and retested it from above. If not, I just stay away from this area. So now probably the price, if it's gonna broke this area, okay, wait for the retest, but you might just come up and down, up and down, up and down. They drop an atom bomb on AMD. What do you mean, like for real? Let's look at AMD. What's the drop? Oof, 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 oof. It did drop a lot. Why this happens? Like, let's see. Today mover AMD LE. Okay, open the advanced micro over 13 on pace for the largest percent decrease. The largest percent decrease since October 2022. But why? That sucks. Will be the lowest close since January at the 207. But why? Down. Okay, but why? Because of the gold? AMD. But what's the correlation? What's the correlation between gold and AMD? They still maintain the target of $325. Here, AMD struggles to bridge the gap between AI hope and near-term reality. AMD is finding out how tough it can be when you're riding high in the artificial intelligence investment. So it struggled to bridge the gap between long-term projection, including a forecast for tens of billions. Yeah, I don't know why it's dropping like that. Here the gold, it rejected this area. Did anybody took this trade, this rejection here? And yeah, I said it's gonna go to the EMA. Did anybody took it? Me. Oh, that's good. That's great, Lucian. Okay, you close it here when you see this. Trump said he wants AMD. Trump said wait, 48. AMD use gold. Yes, but if they use gold and the gold drops, that means the price to make the, how you call the chip, are gonna be cheaper, so that's a good thing for the AMD. The gold drop, they have cheaper, to make. The gold is cheaper, so it's cheaper for them to make the chip. So it's not that. I don't know what Trump says. I don't understand, Kara. Gold is 5K, but it dropped from like 6K. No? Gold is still dropping. I don't think it's related with the gold, but like that. But again, I'm not big in fundamentals, so I'm curious sometimes why things happen, but I'm not that big on it. In a bit, Trump will make a statement like, we have a great leader, we made a very good deal. Hey Harpal, oh, I'm not buying yet. This is a no, stay away zone. Are you buying? Look how strong is this area. I can't just go in. You see, it's too strong. A lot of sellers around there. How do you draw those areas? You want me to show you on a gold or here, Lucian? Let me show you in a gold because you trade gold. I draw them on the same gold. Here we go. So I do execute on 1 minute, but when I draw my areas, I go on 5 minutes or either 1 hour. So you see this area right here? Clearly, this was a support or resistance zone. So you expect this, when this breaks, you expect this to become a support, right? It's a strong zone. The price touched this zone and went down. Same here. The price break this and retested it with this big wick. So it's a valid zone. And how I draw it, I look at the candles around. So this area, it's formed by 1-2 candles on 5 minutes. So I make sure I include the full candles. I include the full candles on it. And here also, this area, doesn't include this big candle. It's usually, I didn't draw it perfectly this area, but you go from where the moves start, and if it's a wick, you make sure you include the wick. So where the moves start here. So you make sure you include this 1, 2, 3 candles in. Where is like this? And this is the area. It includes just this candle. You can see just this red candle, because this is a V. And here it is on 5 minutes. You can lower it down. Hey Navaraj, how is it going? When do you finish your exams? Look, on 1 minute, you can see it's this candles. It's mostly visual. And exactly, I want to make sure it includes all the candles, but it's mostly visual how I see it. It's never exactly on point. But you want usually to make it a little bigger, just in case. It's better bigger than smaller, because if you put it smaller and you wait for the price to get there, it might never get there. You know, you might just miss by a few pips. But if it's a little bigger, you have a space to breathe. Same with this MYM. This area, I marked it on 1 hour. And I mark all this area. This is supposed to be like this. This big, a lot of big wigs entering the area. What is gonna go lower? Bye. Good luck to your exams. Let me know how it works, how it goes. You're almost done. Let me know how it goes. How old are you, Lucian? I suppose I'm just a little older than you. I don't know. I'm not as young as I look. Let's see, Harpal. Why did you send me? You think it's gonna go till Harpal just 20 plus, 30 plus. I'm 30 plus. Harpal, I don't know what you sent me. 2 minutes. And Harpal, just to make sure this is YM, I switched to future. It's still Dow, but the numbers on the chart are gonna be a little different than yours. So when you watch the candle. Don't watch the price itself. But yeah, if you think that you can go for a buy, go do it. I'm very cautious about this area, so I'll wait. Oh, okay. Okay, you can buy. Let me know how it works out for you. Okay, because no, the only reason I'm asking, Lucian, is because usually trading became very popular among 20 plus, like 22, 23 years old. They start doing trading now. So I thought you just doing that now. But I start early or late too. I start in my 30s. 30. I'm 34. When did you start? You just start or you do it for a while? Oh, 2021. And you profitable? Are you good? Are you still learning? There is always to learn. Each 40 plus is good change strategy. Gold is changing the way. Yeah, it touched the EMA, and I think it's gonna. I'm gonna be here for the next 2 more minutes. Um, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Each 40 weeks, you change the strategy. You don't agree with it, you adjust it, but you don't change it. That's exactly why I did not took it below the. I took a buy below the EMA. Below the EMA, it's always sell. That's one of my main rules. Yeah, the base is the same. Oh, yeah, you just adjust it because the market changes, I think. But support, resistance, those will ever be, I think, in a. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully with another trade. And yeah, Harpal, let me know how your trade goes. I really want to go for you to buy. You might be right because you can see the price is kind of struggling to break this area. So probably the sellers are tired around here, so the buyers are coming. Same time, yes. The buyers are gonna win this, but again, for me, it's too risky, so I like to be conservative about it. And yeah, I'm okay with the gold trades, Harpal. I don't need another. I'm gonna watch though. I'm gonna watch if the price come below the EMA. I might go for a short. If the price break this and retest it, I go for a long. That's my strategy for today. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow.